Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate using SMS MFA safely on US services. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by choosing a service that offers SMS Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA. Access your account settings to search for security options. Locate the section for Multi-Factor Authentication. Select the option to enable SMS authentication. Enter your mobile phone number as prompted. Ensure that your number is accurate to avoid issues. Choose to receive a verification code via SMS. Wait for the code to arrive in your messages. Carefully enter the code into the required field on the service's website. Confirm your selection to enable SMS MFA for your account. For additional security, consider enabling token-based MFA instead of SMS, if available. Regularly review your account's security settings. Complete the setup process and log out of your account. To test the feature, log back into your account. You will be prompted to enter your password followed by the SMS code. Check your messages for the SMS containing the code. Enter the code to verify that your SMS MFA setup is functioning correctly. If you do not receive the code, request a new one. Ensure your phone has a proper signal and is able to receive messages. Consider using a backup authentication method, like an authenticator app, for added security. Stay informed about any security updates from the service provider. Always secure your mobile device with a password or biometrics to prevent unauthorized access. Remember, SMS MFA is an added layer of protection, but it is not foolproof. Regularly change your passwords to maintain account security. Monitor your account activity for any unusual behavior. Follow these guidelines to authenticate using SMS MFA safely on US services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.